Good morning, Britches. It is Britmas Day 12, and I can't believe I'm at day 12. I'm so proud of myself because I didn't really think I was going to stick to Britmas, but now that I'm doing it, I'm like, this isn't really that bad. It just sucks, like a lot of the times I have to upload super late. So today's video is going to be primarily focused on my December BoxyLuxe because I just got that yesterday and I'm pretty excited because I feel like I got it pretty early. Usually I get my BoxyCharm super late and everybody's already uploaded theirs by the time I get it, so I don't bother. But this one I got pretty early, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got in that, and I've never gotten BoxyLuxe before. So I'm super excited to unbox that with you guys today. So that will be the primary focus of the video today. So if you guys want to just skip right to that, I'll leave a timestamp down below. But right now I'm just getting my pre-workout done and out of the way. I'm gonna work out, do my post-workout and all that shit. And then I'm just going to do some errands. I need to go to the store. I've been saying that for like the past 4 days. I need to go to the store at some point and I just never go. So I need to do that today. I need to go get dog food. But the next 4 days is going to be a little bit tricky for me because I do start my day work schedule. So I go to work from 6 in the morning until like 7 at night. So I really need to figure out like topics of what I want to just sit down and talk about because I'm not gonna have time to do like makeup tutorials or anything like that. So if you guys have anything that you guys want to hear me talk about, one topic I brought up on my Insta story. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, you should be. But I was talking on my Insta story yesterday about I have fake boobs, and I've done this video before, but it was kind of earlier on my channel, and I don't know, I'm almost like a little bit awkward and I'm so much more comfortable in front of the camera now. So if you guys have any questions about that, just let me know, or just any other topics you guys want to hear me talk about, just leave them in the comments down below. But now I'm going to drink this, do my workout shit, and then carry on with the day. So let's see where the day brings us. So I think I'm gonna try this new Transform 20 sample workout. And if you don't see me again after this, that's what happened. All right, so just got home. More progress on the floor. How much more progress are we making on the floor until the cabinets?
The next thing is going to be cabinets are gone.
Yeah.
And window gets done, door gets done. Or sheetrock comes off the wall, door gets done. And installation gets done and drywall gets done.
Okay, so what? So we're not doing all that. This is all done for right now?
Oh, no, you're right. This one strip is going to get done.
Okay, and then what about right here?
This doesn't get done until we figure it out.
Until we do the cabinets.
Yeah.
Okay, so as of right now, the floor is as done as it's going to get. Is that what you're saying? Minus that one strip.
Yeah.
But even then, you should wait till that door's gone probably, right? We should do that door first?
No, it depends. Like, if to do this wall, we need cabinets, window, and door.
Yeah.
It just doesn't make any sense to rip the cabinets down and rip the drywall where the cabinets are going and insulate and then re-drywall when I can just do the whole wall at once.
Gotcha. So
the biggest thing is in stages like we're doing now is just because complete something. That's it.
Which we're always so good at that. Well, starting a project and finishing it.
Well, the only reason our basement looks like that is because of that. We had to do something.
I know, you guys haven't even seen our basement yet.
That was our project. We were moving right along with the basement.
I know, and then we had to do this instead. So as of right now, the floor is as done as it's going to get. So the next thing is going to be that door right there. We still need to do this door. We still need to order that. Either or both. And then it'll be onto the cabinet. So that is the current renovation update.
State of old crap.
And then he actually took out the tile and carpet that was on this. There was carpet on the stairs, and then there was tile down there, and then more carpet on this side. So we need to still knock out this here because we're gonna put a different railing that'll match a railing that'll go around right here too, and hopefully that window, right? He does not want to do that front window. Alright, so let's get down to what I'm sure you guys are all waiting for, and that is going through my December BoxyLuxe box. So this is the first time I've ever gotten it. I think October was the first one that they ever did, and this is going to be a seasonal box, so it's only going to be 4 times a year, and this retails for $49.99, but you're supposed to get like over $300 value or something crazy like that. So I figure, let's give it a shot. I saw a couple of the sneak peeks and then I tried to stay away from them as much as I could because I wanted to be surprised. Like, I used to love BoxyCharm so much more when you didn't have any idea what you were going to get. So I tried to block everything out so I didn't know what was coming. The only thing that I knew of, because I actually got to choose the item that I got, was a mini straightener. So I hopefully will see that in here. We'll see if it panned out that way, but let's just dive right into the box. So I haven't opened this. I just broke the seal before I started this video. So let's open this box up, and then this is what the inside of the box looks like. So a big ass BoxyCharm little note. This probably has like all the information and stuff on it. So I will keep this readily handy. So this will be the Tis the Sea Sun BoxyLuxe. That's so cute. Like, BoxyCharm always just themes their box so cute. And then that's actually a shot of all the items that are supposed to be in here. So we're going to ignore that. And then this will be a list of everything that's on here. So I will refer to this for like prices and everything. So let's see, the first thing, this is like a limited warranty. This must be for like the straightener, I'm assuming. So let's just dive right into what's on top. And this, I think, is going to be the straightener. Yes, this is. So this is going to be the 100% ceramic mini styling tool. So let me open this up really quick to see what this exactly looks like. And I won't be trying this right now. I don't even need a straightener, but I thought this was a better value to get within the box. And I thought it was pretty cool that you could choose between a couple different items which you wanted to get. So it comes in a little like carrying case. You've got your plug in here, and then, oh my god, this is so stinking cute. So cute. I don't know if I'll keep this, but I think it's super cute, especially if you travel a lot. This might be something that actually goes in my giveaway drawer, because I mean, who wouldn't like that as like a little gift? So that I may keep. I don't know, I don't really travel that often, and I already have like a straightener I already use, so I may pass that on. But I'll come to that at the end because I don't want to like ruin anything for me. So let's keep going. So this is the next thing that's kind of standing out to me, and this is a full-blown brush set from Luxe Cosmetics. Like, this alone right here, this is worth the price of the box itself. So this is what all the brushes looks like. You get 8 brushes in here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this because I don't know if I'll use everything, and I already have a ton of brushes already, but I do also wanna like switch out my brushes, so I don't know. I might put this in a giveaway, I'm not really sure. It looks like it comes with like a foundation brush. This brush looks like it'd be really good for like cream products. You have a powder brush. This is like almost like a really universal brush. I wanna say I have that brush already though. Then you have a few eye brushes, a lip brush. Like, that's such a good little set. I'll be really curious to see what the value is on that. Oh my god, this would have been such a good box to get somebody for like a Christmas gift. Like, this alone for a Christmas gift right here, that would have been such a good idea. So I may put this in my giveaway drawer. I don't know, I'll have to look at these more and compare them to the Luxe brushes that I've already gotten in my boxes before. If I have some that kind of overlap, because I know like this flat definer brush, I know I already have one just like that. So I'll have to compare. You may see that in a future giveaway on my channel though. So the next thing is going to be the Spongel Blossom Bliss, what is it, Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infuser Buffer. Let's see what this looks like. All right, so this looks like a little body buffer sponge in the shape of a star. This is something I wouldn't really get like excited over, but I think it's cool, especially since I do wax and she always tells me to really exfoliate often. So this actually might help me with that. So that's kind of a good thing for me to have. So I will hang on to that and try that out. And it actually smells really good too. So I don't know if it's like scented or anything in there. Let's see, all-in-one beauty treatment, benefits body wash and body buffer. Oh, so it's a body buffer and a body wash. So it looks like it already has the body wash in it. So that's pretty cool. So I'll have to try that out. So I will hang on to that. And then the next thing is going to be from Elemis. I hear a lot of really good things. I think Marlena always talks about this brand actually. So this will be the Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. So this looks like a moisturizer. I'm sure this is a really pricey product as well. And I actually just ran out of like my daytime moisturizer. So perfect timing to replenish with a new one. So let's see what this smells like, because this will be something that I do keep. Package is really nice. I love how they have these little like lids on the top. It smells really fresh, so that's nice. And then let's see what the consistency feels like. I don't
know, it has like a really light smell, but the consistency of it is very, very light. So I feel like it will be really nice for the daytime. So very excited to try this out. And then the next thing is going to be it looks like a bag. Let's see, I know it says Glam AF on it, so that's always exciting because we always want to be Glam AF. I don't usually hang on to bags, but I think there's something inside of it, so we'll see that. So it says Glam AF on it, so that's super cute. And then let's see what's inside of here. Let's see, Crimes of Beauty. What is this thing? What is this thing? I don't even know what it is. Am I an idiot? It almost looks like a wireless charger or something because it has a little plug-in right here, and then it has like an iPhone charger. That will be so cool if this is like a wireless charger. I will keep this in my purse all the freaking time. I'll have to check on this little pamphlet what exactly this is, but that's exactly what it looks like, is like a wireless charger. If it is, that is super cool. Something really different for BoxyCharm especially. Like, you think like beauty products with BoxyCharm, but I think the bag is super cute, so I may hang on to that. I usually pass on bags because I really don't have a use for them. All right, so the next thing is going to be from Wander Beauty. This is the Wanderous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. What have we gotten from Wander Beauty? Oh, I think the mascara. The mascara wasn't my favorite. That's what we got in our BoxyCharm a couple months ago. So let's see what the inside of the packaging looks like. So it has a little sleeve on it. This doesn't look like something that I would keep. I just don't really like these like rectangular pans for blush and highlighter palettes. I think the City Lights highlight looks beautiful, but this I just don't really see myself gravitating towards, so I am actually going to save this for one of you guys and put this in my giveaway drawer. So we are not going to swatch that. That's a little bit of a bummer. I don't know, I just don't really like the rectangular pans. Even with eyeshadows, I just don't really love that, so I'd rather just give it to somebody that would like it, you know what I mean? And then this is exciting because I wanted to try this for the longest time, and this is another thing that like just makes the value of the box. We got the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. So this is like a $45 eyeshadow palette, I think. So I'm so excited to try this because I've been eyeing this brand for a really long time, and I almost bought their eyeshadow palette when they did the Laura Lee palette, but I never ended up buying it. It's just, I don't know what it is. It's just, I've never really just gravitated towards these palettes, but let's see what we think when we open this up. Oh, this looks like such a nice palette. This is like a perfect neutral eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I'm so excited. Like, this alone makes the value of the box so worth it. That's just so awesome. I was not expecting to get like a full-blown eyeshadow palette. Like, usually we get mini eyeshadow palettes, so this right here is such a good deal to get like a full-blown eyeshadow palette, a full brush set, a blush and highlight palette, a freaking wireless charger. What else do we get? Day cream moisturizer, and like body wash infused buffer. Like, this is so cool, and there's still 2 things left in this box. Like, this is crazy. So the next thing is going to be from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Shimmer Lip Paint. Ooh, we're gonna swatch it. We're keeping it. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just like a glittery gloss. Here, I'm gonna do a big swatch of it just so you guys can really see it. Like, if this wasn't a gloss, I probably wouldn't have kept it, but I am a glossy bitch. I love glossy lips. I was not expecting it to be like this. Like, this is more of like a gloss, and then it has little specks of glitter, like purple, blue, like a ton of different. It's more of like a pinky base, but it has so many different reflexive glitter in it. Like, that is beautiful. I cannot wait to try this. So I will be hanging on to this. And then the last thing is going to be a mascara. This is the Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. I will hang on to this because I've heard really good things about this, and I do really like the packaging as well. I probably won't get to it for a while because I have so many open mascaras at the moment, but I will be hanging on to this. So overall, I'm so fucking excited about everything that I got in here. So let's open this up and see what kind of value that we got with this box. So first thing will be the Luxe Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. The retail price on this would be $65. So right there, we paid $49.99 for this box, and you got a brush set that was worth more than what the box costed itself. So let me get my little calculator out. So we've got $65 for that. And then the next thing will be the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. This retails for $20, so let's add that on our calculator. Next thing will be the Violet Voss Pro HG palette. Retail price on that is $45, so that is this big ass palette right here. And then the Body Wash Infused Buffer is $20. LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, that is retail $89, you guys. Holy shit. Wander Beauty Dust to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette, the retail price on that is $26. Grande Mascara is $25. The Mini Hair Straightener is $75. Oh my god, you guys. And then the wristlet and the portable charger is going to be $22. So retail price on everything would have been $387. So we paid $50 for this box and we got almost $400 worth in product. So that alone right there makes everything worth it. That is such a good freaking deal. I'm really glad that I decided to get the BoxyLuxe instead of the BoxyCharm. I love BoxyCharm. I've had it since I think November of 2016 maybe, and I fucking love it. So as soon as I saw that they were doing the BoxyLuxe, I had to jump right on it, and I missed the first one. I think it was in October, but I'm so glad that I got it for this month, and I will definitely get it for the next one that they do. So like I said in the beginning, this is going to be a seasonal type of box, so it's only going to be 4 times a year, I believe. So I will definitely be getting this next time as well. I think this was such a good value. I got a lot of really good products, a lot of really good products for you guys as well. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for future giveaways because those should be coming soon, and I am planning one for 4,000 subscribers, and we're almost there. We're like less than 100 subscribers away. So leave a comment down below which your favorite thing was, if you got one of these boxes, and what you guys thought about it. And that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow.